Hey, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and tricks video on this 2018 Ford F-150. We put a 6-inch rough country lift on it, some 20x12 American Truxx 166 strikers in a gloss black with a milled window finish. We put a set of 35x1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires in a 12-ply. If you want more information on this tire and wheel setup, click the box over here and it will take you to the wheel matchup video with all of the details about those tires and wheels. However, our tips and tricks with this 6-inch rough country lift is on the front, you'll have to cut your rear cross member. More often than not, when you cut the rear cross member, it does not allow your differential to go back in straight. What you'll find is that your lower rear differential bolt will be off to the right. If this is the case, then you just need to trim a little bit more off of that rear cross member on the outer side. Besides that, it's a relatively easy lift to install. Of course, you have to drop your differential, add new control arm drop brackets, put a spacer on the strut, but besides that, it's relatively simple. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're looking at this truck and you're saying, Michael, I love this truck, I love the color, it's an XLT, everything's color matched, nothing's chrome, I wish I could just buy this truck and not have to go to the dealer, buy the truck, bring it to you, get it lifted, I just want it all done. Go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page and scroll through and find the perfect truck, Jeep, 4Runner for you that's currently for sale on a dealer's lot that we already built. Call that dealer up, go buy it today. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, lift, fender flares, running boards, headlights, taillights, hoods, grills, anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.